Hi guys, so we will be solving this question for today. So let's get into the question. The question is ransom note. Okay, so we are given these two strings, ransom note and magazine. We have to return true, return true if ransom note can be constructed by using the letters of magazine and false otherwise. Okay, and each letter in magazine can only be used once in ransom note. Okay, these are things, ransom note and magazine. Okay, so let's understand the problem better. We are given these two strings, magazine and ransom note. Okay, so if magazine is uh, A B C, okay, and uh, ransom note is A C A B and B. Okay, in this case we should return false. Okay, because D is not present in the magazine string. Okay, but if I say magazine string is A B C again, and the string we are forming is B C, then in this case it should return as true. Okay, but if if one exception is there, if I say the string is A B and in the magazine ransom note we have AAB. Okay, in the ransom note we have the letters AB which is present in the magazine string, but the problem here is the occurrence of A. The occurrence of A in magazine string is only one, but in ransom note the occurrence or the count of A is 2. Okay, so in this case also we should return false, right? Because here it is saying each letter in magazine can only be used once in ransom note. Okay, so this is the brief about the question. Now how we are going to solve it. Okay, so what we will do, we will make an array of 26 size, right? Why 26? To store all the elements from A to Z, not to store the elements letters, but to store the occurrences of these letters, occurrences or count of these letters. Okay, so next what we will do, we will loop over the magazine string. Okay, we will loop over the magazine string, loop magazine, and we will do this thing. If we will we will say ARR of a character minus a plus plus. Okay, this is the thing we will do when we will loop magazine. Okay, and after this we will loop ransom node. While looping, what we will do is we will check if minus minus ARR of minus minus ARR of PH, right? We need to change it here. Yes. Okay, so we will do it here as CH minus A. If this value is less than 0, we will return false. Okay, and after all the loop we will return as true, because if this condition is not hit, it means all the characters of magazine array with the right number of occurrences are present in ransom node, and we can form any string with the number of occurrence and letters of magazine string. Okay, so let's just write the code. So what we will do, we will make an array. Let's give it now as name as count. So count is equals to new int of 26. What next? We will iterate over magazine for char ch magazine to char array. What we will do, we will add, right? So we will say count of ch minus a plus plus. Okay, And next we will loop uh, ransom note to get array, and here we will say if minus minus of count and ch minus of a is less than 0, then return false, else we will return true. Okay, so let's run this. I cannot declare space. Okay, so it wants me to declare the brackets here. Okay. Okay, let's just put them there. Okay, I'm doing it in C++, but I want to write the program in Java. So that's why it is not working for that, right? Because in Java we can do it like this, right? Now let's try again. So I think the name of the magazine is misspelled. Let's also fix that. Yeah, they are passing. All the test cases have passed, not all, but these three. Now let's submit. Yeah, and it is submitting 1 millisecond and beats 99.33%. Okay, so if I show you how this is working, like the dry run of the code, right? So you better understand how it is working. Okay, so right. So let's assume we have a magazine as A, B, B, C, right? And we have ransom note as C, B, A, B. Okay, like two occurrences of B, one of A and one of C. So we will make an array of 26 like memory, and I'm just making few because the letters are here for A, B, C only. So 0, it's for mark for A and B and C and D. Okay, that's enough, and we will go E, F, G, H, and so on. So what we are doing here, like we are doing here looping over magazine and array of ch minus a. Okay, so let's just copy this line So I can write, this is what we want to do. Okay, yes, right, yes. So we are looping over magazine, right? We are looping over magazine. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Not magazine. Magazine is the name. We are looping over the magazine string, which is A, B, B, C. 0, 1, 2, 3. So for uh, 0th element, like for A, ARR of A, that is CH minus A, and plus plus, right? Plus plus. So if here we will get the value 1. Next, for B, ARR of B minus A plus plus. B minus A means here. So value of 1. Next, here, ARR of uh, B minus A again plus plus. So here it will get value 2. 2. Next, here, ARR of B minus A plus plus. Fine. This means here. So in the array we have these values 1, 2, and 1. Okay, now what we will do, we will map over the ransom node. Okay, so we will map over ransom node, which is C, B, A, B. Okay, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So initially we are here. Okay, so we are checking this condition, like from here we are uh, getting the value of the letter, current letter. Okay, so suppose ARR of CH, which is 0, C minus A, uh, which is ARR of 0, 1, 2. It will get the value of 2. So we are decrementing it and checking if the value is less than 0. So this is the index 0, 1, 0, 1, and 2. So we decrement it 0 and check if it is less than 0. Uh, Here it is not less than 0, it is equals to 0. So it will not return false. Next, it will go to B and extract the index of B. So at the index of B, we have the value stored as 2. So what it will do, it will decrement the value by 1 and check if it is less than 0, but it is not less than 0, so it will not return false. Again it will go to A, extract the like value of A element in the array, which is 1, decrement it, like make it 0, and check if it is less than 0, which is not, because it's equals to 0. So it will not return false and move to the last character, okay, which is B. And for B we have still 1 here. Okay, so it will again decrement it and it will become 0, but it is still less than, not less than 0, because it's equals to 0. So it will not return false, and at the end it will return as true. Okay, so that is how the dry run of this program works. Okay, so we have also implemented it in the Leetcode. So that's it for now. Thank you guys.